Agenda for today is go get food. We woke up like extremely late. I think it's like 1 o'clock right now because we got back at like 2:33 in the morning because of my stupid idiot ass forgot or picked the wrong Uber. But now we're gonna go eat, and then I think after that we're gonna go say hi to my grandparents. So, are you gonna hit the slots?
There's one right there.
Are you gonna hit the slots?
I want to, but I don't have my money.
Why don't you have it on you?
Let's go to the car. I stacked up the thing. I'll get $5. Can I get the keys real quick?
Like this. Oh, what was the game called? Bacon?
Raking bacon.
Raking bacon. No, these chairs are comfy. No, it's fine. These chairs are comfy.
I think I'm just gonna play this one.
Do it. About at least $6.
It's all good.
Mama needs a new pair of shoes.
What I'm gonna do is just bet big, bro. Fuck it.
Ooh, I like it.
Probably got like one spin.
Did it fucking register the credits? Why is it not doing? It says please
I know,
press
I need
bet.
to press play, dude. Relax. I want to know how much is $6 down the drain.
Well, it happens to the best of us.
Yep.
At least the chairs are comfortable.
Yep. It's a good, nice way to just blow off some steam.
We're at my grandparents' house, and I haven't seen them in 2 years, and they don't know I'm here. So I think my grandma's going to shit herself when she sees me. So we'll see how that goes. Everyone went inside except for me. I think they're gonna bring her out, and then we'll see what happens.
Coño.
Buenas.
Oye, pero ven acá. Yo no sé, pero tú.
Ya no viene. Mírala aquí.
¿Está en la casa?
Coño, oye, yo oí esa gritería, yo dije, ¿qué habrá pasado? Pero ven acá. Bueno, déjame ver las pasadas actuaciones. ¿Cómo fue que llegaron?
Carlos, entonces, verá. Carlos.
We're at a horse race, like betting place, because my grandpa like loves horse racing. So I decided to come with him because why not? So we're gonna fill one out real quick. This is what I picked. If I get these right or whatever, I can win this much money. But odds are that. Two half gallons was $8. What the fuck is that? That's absurd. In the States you can get a gallon for like $3. We're here at the tennis courts of TD Zulma's house. We're about to play some tennis. And I hope if me and her play singles, I can beat her,
Start with straight shots.
but we'll see.
Then pop the bottle.
Diego and Mom won the first game against me and my aunt. But next game starts now, so hopefully we can win that one. Oh, we got done playing tennis. Tennis was tiring, but it was a good time. I think we're gonna go eat now, and then probably go to bed because I leave tomorrow. So, I just got home from playing tennis and eating, so that's probably it for the vlog. I didn't really get a ton of B-roll today, but it is what it is. So, with that, peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?